Moving out soon? Don't risk losing your deposit over a dusty skirting board or a streaky tap. With rental deposits in London climbing higher every year, a spotless end-of-tenancy clean can mean the difference between getting all your money back or waving goodbye to a big chunk of it. Welcome to the FastKlean channel, where we make cleaning simple, effective, and stress-free. Today, I'll share the ultimate end-of-tenancy cleaning checklist so you can leave your home looking its best and pass that landlord inspection with flying colors. Before we go on, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with anyone preparing to move. Start with the right tools: microfiber cloths, an all-purpose cleaner, limescale remover, glass cleaner, mop, vacuum, and bin bags. Work top to bottom so you don't undo your own progress. In the kitchen, clear cupboards, clean the fridge and freezer, degrease the oven and hob, and polish sinks and taps. In the bathroom, descale taps and shower heads, scrub grout, make mirrors shine, and banish any mold. For living areas and bedrooms, dust light fittings, wipe skirting boards, clean inside wardrobes, and vacuum thoroughly, even under furniture. Don't forget windows. Clean glass inside, wipe sills, and check the frames. Finish with floors, treating any carpet stains and mopping hard surfaces. Little extras make a big impression. Empty all bins, wipe door handles, sweep balconies, and return furniture to its original spot. If you're short on time or want a guarantee, consider hiring professionals like FastKlean to ensure a landlord-approved finish. Plan ahead, give yourself enough time, and you'll save yourself stress and keep that deposit safe in your bank account. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to FastKlean for more expert cleaning tips.